Welcome back. Today we have a 3D printed bit showcase, and it is this. This right here is Momentum. The file will be printed in, or not printed. It'll be pasted in the link in the description down below. Go support the creator on Tinkercad, please. And yeah. Today we're going to just showcase this, test it, see how it does against other combos, and see how it goes. So, let's try it. The first combo we're going to try is Drone Buster on 160. I thought, you know what, this thing's got some life after death, and some kind of control. Maybe it'll act like, you know, a slow attack type, and it'll just hit super duper hard. I've got 5 combos lined up right here. I've got Silver Wolf 760 Hexa right here. We've got Hell's Chain 560 Rush, Cobalt Dragoon 560 Elevate, Wizard Rod 360 Free All, and Phoenix Wing 360 Point. So we're going to test Momentum. It's an attack type bit, thick resistance, point in the middle, gears around, just for another recap. But let's get into it, starting with Silver Wolf. First to 4 on each battles. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Silver Wolf will take that. I stuttered so hard there. Feel free to clown me in the comments. 1-0. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Silver Wolf barely takes that with another outspin. 2-0. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Silver Wolf with yet another outspin. 3-0. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, massive hits. Drawn Buster taking that. 3-1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Drawn Buster hitting super hard. 3-3 with a knockout. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. Silver Wolf's just really good at taking it. Oh, Silver Wolf barely takes that 4-3. So Silver Wolf wins that. Next up, Hell's Chain on 560 Rush. 3, 2, 1. Hell's Chain with a knockout. 2-0. 3, 2, 1. Jeez, Bay's going flying. I don't even know how to call that. I actually do know how to call that. That's a draw, obviously. But let's go again. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. chain with another ring out. 2-4-0. Sorry, I'm stupid. Next up, Cobalt Dragoon, 560 elevate. 3, 2, 3, 2. Ooh, Cobalt Dragoon with a cheeky knockout. 2-0. 3, 2. 3, 2. Ooh, Cobalt's just eating up the spin. Ooh, I'd say Drawn Buster takes that by just a little bit. 2-1. 3, 2. 3, 2. Cobalt Dragoon taking it with a spin finish. 3-1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that was a really bad launch. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, cute hits. Ooh, Buster staying stationary. Oh, but Cobalt taking it. 4-2. Or no, 4-1. Next up, Wizard Rod 360 free ball. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I didn't even grab it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, huge hits. Wizard Rod taking it with a knockout, though. 2-0. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Buster with a really good extreme finish. 3-2. And the bid is holding up perfectly fine. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Rod not taking any chances, but that was only a spin finish since Buster came right back out. 3-3. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Rod taking it with another spin finish. 4-3. And then finally, Phoenix Swing 360 point. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, huge hits. That looks like Phoenix Swing ticket. Just barely. 1-0. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Buster takes it with a knockout. 2-1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Phoenix takes it with a spin finish. 2-2. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Phoenix takes it with a knockout. 4-2. All right, we're going to move on combos. We're going to change from Drawn Buster 160 over to Phoenix on 560. Starting over with Silver Wolf again. First to 4. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Great hits. Wonder if they'll have solid stamina. But if they're able to outlast stuff like Silver Wolf. Ooh, Phoenix takes that 1-0. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, crazy hit and a great knockout. 3-0. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Silver Wolf taking a spin finish. That is what, 3-1? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Phoenix win. Great knockout. Taking the victory. Makes it, what, 5-1? Yep. Alright, next up, Hell's Chain, 560 rush. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Hell's Chain, what the extreme finish. I swear. Just, Hell's Chain's gonna win them all. 3-0. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hell's Chain's gonna win them all. That's 5-0 against Phoenix Wing. That's crazy. Next up, Cobalt Dragoon, 560 elevate. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Big hits. Ooh, and a burst. 2-0. Hold on, let me fix this. That's crazy. All right, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I dropped it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Cobalt kinda spin stealing here. Trying to outlast. And it's gonna, most likely. Yep, Cobalt takes it. 2-1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Momentum just gives great hits, I'll say that. So far, what I'm seeing is just giving great hits. But that also might be the blades. Cobalt taking it again, 2-2. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Cobalt not taking any chances with a knockout, 4-2. Next up, Wizard Rod 360 free ball. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Phoenix with a knockout, 2-0. 3, 2, 1. 3. Oh my god, I keep dropping everything. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Wizard Rod with a knockout, 2-2. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, wizard rod without spin. Excuse me. 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Phoenix Wing isn't attacking. Wizard Rod 4-2. And finally, Phoenix Wing 360 point. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Point takes it 2-0. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Who's gonna take this one? Seems like Momentum just has better stamina. And it does. 2-1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Point taken it. That's 3-1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, 360 point with a very good extreme finish. Alright, moving on. Next up, we have Hell's Hammer on 560. First up, Silver Wolf. Ooh. Silver Wolf 1-0. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Wolf taking another stamina victory. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I don't think Hammer produces enough though. Ooh, Hammer barely takes that. 2-1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, 2-2, Hell's Hammer. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Huge hits. Silver Wolf taking it. 3-2. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Silver Wolf takes it 4-2. Moving on, we've got Hell's Chain. 3, 2, 1. Hell's Hammer takes it with an outspin. 1-0. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Hell's Hammer's hitting real hard. Hell's Hammer takes it again. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, I dropped it. Dropping everything. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Hell's Chain getting a comeback knockout. 2-2. 3, 2, 1. 3. Swear to God, I'm dropping everything. 3, 2, 1. That seems like a snipe. We're redoing that. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, yes. Hell's Chain with an outspin. 3. What is that? 3? Is that 3-2? Dang. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hell's Chain with a comeback. Wow. Maybe I cursed this thing to win every game. Next up, Cobalt on 560 Elevate. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was just mean. 2-0. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Go. Knockout 4-0, making it a real quick game. Next up, Wizard Rod 360 free ball. I don't even know how I did that. 3, 2, 1. Rod taking it 1-0. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Rod just lives every minute. Two, 0. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. But not enough. Not enough control. 4-0. Phoenix Wing. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Hell's Hammer with an extreme finish. That makes it 3-0. Maybe it'll get a crazy comeback of a lifetime. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Phoenix Wing with a burst. That's crazy. And yeah, the bit still lives. Very, very surprised. It's 3D printed. I thought it would break it now. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Hell's Hammer taking it. Alright, final combo switch. Lastly, we have Tyranno Beat on 360. Silver Wolf. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. It's just not enough. 1-0 Silver Wolf. 3, 2, 1. Silver Wolf 2-0. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Big hits. Ooh, Tyranno Beat barely. 2-1. 3, 2, 1. Go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Silver Wolf taking it. So sad. Next up, Hell's Chain. Will it win its 4th game? 3, 2, 1. Hell's Chain's defense potential's through the roof. 2-0. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hell's Chain 3-0. Jeez. What a massacre. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Tyranno Beat taking 1. 3-1. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, Hell's Chain wins all 4 of its games. That's crazy. What a combo, man. Cobalt Dragoon, elevate. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Huge hits. Oh, but Tyranno Beat can't take it. 1-0. 3, 2, 1. Go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, huge hits. Come on, Tyranno Beat. Cobalt takes it again. 2-0. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Cobalt taking it 3-0, man. Cobalt's invincible. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's just eating every hit. Ooh, Cobalt barely takes that. 4-0. Next up, Rod on free ball. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Rod still takes it. 1-0. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Tyranobi takes it with a knockout. 2-1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Wizard Rod, man. Just keeps taking it. 3-2. 3, 2, 1. No, wait, that's 2-2. 3, 2, 1. Wizard Rod, 3-2. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Couldn't take its own might. Wizard Rod takes it. In the end, I really think Momentum is a super cool bit. It's got a lot of unique properties, and I genuinely think it's not meta by any means. It has good attacks, it's a slow attack. Eventually this wore out into like a rounded flat to where it became like kind of stationary in the center. But other than that, it was a really neat bit, and I do recommend picking it up. It has some real funky movements and some decent counterspin potential. Anyways, one last thing. I really want to mention that I do try to put as much effort into these videos as I can. I don't have the best equipment, and I'm only using my phone for these uploads. So the support would be greatly appreciated if you could like and subscribe. That would be amazing. Anyways, thank you very much. I love you guys, and take care. Bye-bye.